Hi everyone. So this video is a recap of the long question for week 1. You were supposed to do this long questions on your own time. It's not graded, but I can't emphasize the fact that just how important it is to go through this long questions on your own time, because it will give you an idea of the difficulty of an exam or exam style question. So this was week 1, which is really technical exercises, which consist of 3 technical exercises. And I'm basically going to do each technical exercise in a separate video. Alright, so technical exercise number 1 read as follows. At a sales level of 10,000 units per month, the manufacturing overhead per unit is 330. If the sales level increases by 4,000 units, the manufacturing overhead unit falls to 270. What is the variable manufacturing overhead per unit? Alright, now very important to understand, they say that at 10,000 units, manufacturing overhead per unit is 330. They do not say variable manufacturing overhead is 330 or fixed manufacturing overhead is 330. It's the total that's 330 at 10,000 units. Likewise, at 4,000 units, it's the total that is 270 when the units increase by 4,000 units. So what is the variable manufacturing overhead unit per cost? Now, in order to do this, it's effectively the high-low method. Just going forward, almost 100% of the time, manufacturing overheads will, unless they expressly say variable or fixed, it will almost 99% of the time be a mixed cost. In other words, it will have a variable and a fixed cost component, which means in order to get the variable and fixed cost components, you're going to have to apply the high-low method. And just a reminder of the high-low method, you effectively take the highest activity cost less the lowest activity cost divided by the highest activity in units by less the lowest activity in units. Now, the nice thing about this example, in technical example 1, there is only 2, let's say, activities, 10,000 units and effectively 10,000 plus 4,000, which is 14,000 units. So you have effectively 2 activities, so you can just simply take the total cost at 10,000 units and the total cost at 14,000 units, the difference between the two, and then divide by the difference in units. And that's basically the solution. At 10,000 units, your total cost is 10,000 times 330, which is 33,000. At 14,000 units, it's 14,000 times 270, which is 37,500. And now we apply the high-low, which is the difference in cost, so that minus that, 37 minus 33, over the difference in activity, so 14 minus 10, which is 4,000, and that effectively gives us the 120 per unit, which is the variable manufacturing overhead per unit. Alright, so that is the answer to technical exercise number 1. I'll check back in the next video with the answer to technical exercise number 2.